If you're looking for an outdoor table, you have 3 options, and I'm going to show you them right now. If after dinner you're looking to break this table like WWE or Crazy Bills fan, you go this route. If you're like my rich friends, you can go this route. No problems, not judging. The third option is if you have some drills and some tools and a couple of screws, we can find a happy medium and build this ourselves for a much better price. Boom! After lots of sanding, nice and smooth, I use 120 grit. I attached the 1x6s with the Ryobi brad nailer, and for the framing I attached the 2x4s with pocket hole screws. So now on to the next step, which is my lighting idea. Alright, so I want some lighting that can go across end to end from the table and hang above it. So I came up with these rectangles that I'm going to attach to the sides of the table, and this way it can hold lighting all the way for some ambiance. So let's see if this looks good. If it doesn't, we'll just take it off. I wasn't exactly sure how tall I wanted to make these. My initial cut was 37 inches tall. I didn't want it to be too tall, but this ended up working out, and I'm just leveling it here and attaching it to the side. I attached both sides and connected them with one 2x2 to be able to hang the lights. So this is what it looks like before paint, all sanded, paint time. This is it. This is the finished table. Look at it. I mean, come on, man. That came out way better than I was anticipating. Let me know what you think about the lights and the design. I think it looks great. Those are solar chandeliers. I'm going to post links to the lights and all the tools I used down below. But let me know what you think. I'm skeptical about the color. I feel like it should maybe be a little darker. But let me know if you like the color as well. But, I mean, look at the whole setup. It's coming together. We call this the Oasis. So, summer's around the corner. Get the pool back open. But yeah, this is the finished table. So please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the end result, the finished table. And that's it, guys. Peace.